Fruit C-500, also known as ascorbic acid or vitamin C, is used to prevent or treat low levels of vitamin C in people who do not get enough from their diets. Low levels of vitamin C can lead to a condition called scurvy, which may cause symptoms such as rash, muscle weakness, joint pain, tiredness, or tooth loss. Vitamin C plays an important role in maintaining the health of skin, cartilage, teeth, bone, and blood vessels, as well as protecting the body's cells from damage. The recommended daily dosage of Fruit C-500 is usually 500 mg, and it is best to take it with a meal to maximize its absorption. When taking Fruit C-500, it is important to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. You can take this vitamin with or without food, usually 1 to 2 times daily. If you are taking the extended-release capsules, swallow them whole with a full glass of water, and do not crush or chew them. If you are taking the wafers, chewable tablets, or lozenges, follow the specific instructions for each. If you are taking the powder, mix it thoroughly in the proper amount of liquid or soft food and take all of the mixture right away. Do not prepare a supply for future use. It is important to measure the dose accurately if you are using the liquid form of this vitamin, using a special measuring device/spoon. Dosage for Fruit C-500 is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. It is recommended to use this vitamin regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, it is important to seek medical help right away. Some possible side effects of Fruit C-500 include diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps/pain, or heartburn. However, if your doctor has prescribed this medication, it means that they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If you do experience any serious side effects, such as painful urination or pink/bloody urine, be sure to contact your doctor right away. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As always, if you have any concerns about the side effects of Fruit C-500, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Before taking Fruit C-500, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have kidney disease or a certain enzyme deficiency. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using. For pregnant women, Fruit C-500 has been found to be safe when used in recommended doses, but higher doses should only be used if clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Fruit C-500 also passes into breast milk and is considered safe during breastfeeding when used in recommended doses. However, it's always best to consult your doctor for more information. As for the best time to take Fruit C-500, it can be taken at any time of the day, and the recommended daily dosage may vary depending on individual needs and health conditions. It's important to be aware of the potential for drug interactions when taking Fruit C-500. This vitamin may interfere with certain lab tests, which could lead to false results. If you are taking Fruit C-500, make sure to inform your lab personnel and doctors to ensure accurate test results. Additionally, it's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your healthcare providers to avoid any potential drug interactions. And as always, do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without consulting your doctor. If someone has taken too much Fruit C-500 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. Remember that Fruit C-500 is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from healthy foods. You can find ascorbic acid in citrus fruits like oranges, as well as in tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. If you want more information, make sure to talk to your doctor, pharmacist, or nutritionist. And remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement. As for the daily dosage, it's important to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. Typically, for adults, the recommended daily intake of vitamin C is around 65 to 90 mg per day. However, this may vary depending on individual needs and health conditions. When is the best time to take fruit C-500? Well, it's generally recommended to take it with a meal to help with absorption. So, consider taking it with breakfast or lunch for optimal results. And remember, if you have any specific concerns or questions about using this product, always seek advice from your healthcare provider. If you forget to take a dose of fruit C-500, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing fruit C-500, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's essential to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of fruit C-500, make sure not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to take fruit C-500 as directed by your healthcare professional. The optimal timing for taking this vitamin may vary depending on individual needs, so it's important to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. In terms of benefits, fruit C-500 is known for supporting the immune system and promoting overall health. It can also act as an antioxidant, helping to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Remember, it's always best to seek the advice of a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.